Sweta.
Good morning, Mahendra. How are you doing?
Yeah, doing good, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready with 6 to 10 lessons in Anaplan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please carry on with your presentation.
Yeah, Sweta. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please share your screen. Yeah, I can see your screen.
This is
I
my
can see you.
presentation. Yeah,
Yeah, go ahead, please.
yeah. Module. Modules are multi-dimensional forms of data. The data is displayed in grid format, like spreadsheet. The major difference in module, we have two or more dimension assigned here. So modules are work together and form a model. Creating module is quite simple in Anaplan. First log into the workspace, then create one model. After login, create one model. Follow the naming good convention. After create model, open that module. In the settings bar, model settings bar, select modules, click insert module, type the name of module. Like I am creating here SYS00 time settings. This is the dimension. Time is the default dimension for module. I'm creating line items here. At least one line item will be there in modules. So that's why I created line items. First week of first day of the month. First day of the month. Current period start. Current period. Create current period start. Actual period. Period. Forecast months. The line items in the module in this module. Click OK. Change the format according to the requirement. First month in date format. So I can change date format. Last day of month also date format. I can change date format. Current period also date format. I would like to assign Boolean format for this line item. Current period start also date format. These are all Boolean formats. After creating module, assigning formulas. I will explain in coming slides. So module creation completed. Then this is the grid view. This is the module grid view. This is the default view. Here we have pages, rows, columns are there. But in the pages, nothing there now nothing there. So according to the requirement, we will assign. So by using pivot, we can interchange the dimensions here. For suppose line items, I want in pages, so I'll make it in pages and click OK. This is the purpose of pivot. So this is the default view. Default view means in the grid view. This is the grid view. We have line items, list, dimensions. These are used to make form rows and columns. So after that, yeah, like this is the graphical presentation of grid view. Here, these are rows, these are page selectors, these are columns. I would like, yes, I explained already. So this is the grid view, default grid view. These are, we can interchange these dimensions according to the requirement. Coming to the next slide, model blueprint view. Model blueprint view allows for model builders behind the scenes of view of the model. So this is the blueprint view where model builders can perform more calculations and adding formulas. These are the line items. So these are the formats of line items. Here we are model builders adding formulas. These are time and versions. This is the applies to where model dimensions are appear here. So this is the blueprint view. I would like to explain in Workspace also. Click this triangle icon. And then this is the blueprint view. Users can, this is the line item. Expand, we can expand also. This is the formula editing bar. And this is the we can assign formula two types here and here. These are the line items. In the applies to, I will explain in coming slides. Yeah, this is blueprint view. Model blueprint view is the behind the scenes of view, behind scenes of the view, in the sense what can done in behind backend. This is the backend for model builders. Blueprint view, this is blueprint view. And coming to the next slide. Yeah, line items can be formatted as different type of formats like number format, Boolean format, date format, text format, list format, and time format. And last one, no data. By default, the format is number. Every line item for default format as line number. So Boolean format gives true or false. Date format gives the result of date. Text format gives what are numbers. So list format gives list item list numbers. Time also similar to the date format. No data means nothing contained in the line item. So coming to the next slide, applies to timescale versions. Yeah, applies to in the workspace. Click blueprint view. Here applies to, in the applies to, we can change dimensions here. So mainly applies to used for changing the dimensions and assigning the dimensions and versions. Versions including and excluding versions by using these settings. Timescale, we were using different timescales for as per the requirements. For suppose model builders want for suppose your end users want monthly data, we will change here monthly, like that. Here we can change monthly data, weekly data. By changing timescale, we can use different timescale here. So this is the purpose of timescale, version, and applies to. Coming to the next slide. Adding formula. Adding formula is quite easy in Anaplan. In the formula bar, double click, choose the line item and double click in the formula bar. Now we can see red icon and green icon. So these are the icons for formula editing. Now I can use cancel button. So the formula will be cancelled. Now this is the apply. Once formula written, I can use apply. So the formula will be applied to the line item. And this is the expand bar. This is the expand bar for line item. Like this is the expand bar. Yeah, the expand bar view it looking like this. So I'm canceling here. Again I am collapsing. So this is expand bar. This is quite easy in Anaplan formula editing bar. Formula we can assign formula in two ways. In the formula bar also, in the formula bar or beside of the format we can assign formulas. So the two ways for assigning formulas. Yeah. And coming to the next slide. This is the formula bar. This is the graphical representation of formula blueprint view in formula bar. Like this is formula editing active and this is formula bar. This is the name of the line item. Expand the formula bar. Yeah, this is the graphical representation of formula. And coming to next slide. System modules. System modules are mainly used for time settings and referring the another modules. System modules serve foundation for a model. Yeah, these are used mainly for filtering purpose, clearing or deleting for a list. I will explain in Workspace in detail. So I would like to create one system module like following line items, and I am assigning formulas according to the line items. So first day of the month, I am assigning formula. Start is the first day of the month, which gives first day of the month. By result type is date format. So we can see here also. This is the first day of format 111. Like the format will be presented like month, day, year. So in the middle we seen the day, first day of the every month. So this is February month. This is the first day of February in the March. So it will be looking like that in every month. So I want last day of the month. In the month, generally last day will be 30 or 31. So according to the formula, this will be presented in last day of month. So I would like to assign on formula. Assign a formula. End function results returns the last day of the month. So this is the last day of the January month, and this is the last day of the February month. So I'm current period. Current period start. Period start followed by 30 is equals to, in the sense, start. This is the start period. Start in this case, start is equals to current period, then current period will be started. So I would like to assign the formula. Yes, formula is applied. So in the model, we are not assigning current period, so we will assign current period. Go to time settings, click current period, add whatever you want. So according to the requirements, so I will add April 2022. This is for April, right? So I'll add April and I am applying here. So coming to the module, the current period will be displayed like this. If we can change current period, according to the current period, it will be changed the yes. So I would like to give an example. I will change current period here, April to May, then Boolean format will assign in May. So yeah, this is the current format, current period format. So I would like to rechange what the changes. Yeah. I'm using April only. This is the current period. Coming to the next line item. This is current period start. I'm applying formula here. Current period start. Push current period date start. Yeah, this is current period start. This is the actual period. Actual period in the sense past data. So which is current period less than so start. Then in that case the actual period. So I am assigning current period what is less than start. Okay. Yeah, spelling mistake, typo mistake, and I am changing this typo. Current period start ROT. Current period START start. Function start less than. Yeah, this is the actual period. So I would like to interchange this. Okay. So actual period formula. Yes, this is the actual period formula. Actual period in the sense before the current period. Before what? This is current period. April is the current period. Before we have January, February, and March. These are the actual periods. Coming to the forecast period, quite opposite to the actual period. Which is uh, greater than current period is called forecast period. So forecast period in the sense we are using we are referring future values. So I'm copy this formula, applying forecast period, changing which is greater than. So I would like to assign greater than or equal to, which gives forecast period. It gives result from May to till end of the fiscal model calendar. Yes, like that. Forecast months same only. Yeah, in the forecast period, copy the formula and paste for the forecast period. Wait and see. Copy the formula. Wait. Copy the quite easy in Anaplan. So I would like to copy this formula and paste in here. These are the forecast months only. I completed system module. Coming to the PPT. Yeah, I already created and I already explained about first these line items, first day of month, last day of month, current period. All already explained. I created department details. I would like to create another system module for referencing. So in the setting model settings bar, click modules, insert module, then type the name of the module. I would like to give SYS, follow the good naming convention. SYS. So this is the system module for referencing. SYS is the indication for system modules. So I'm creating S5S and then 01 employee details, department details, department details. Yeah, time is the default dimension. So I want time dimension here. Now, if I want time dimension, I will include. If I don't want time dimension, I will remove. For me, I don't want time dimension here. So I would like to assign. So before creating modules, we will have some dimension for. So for the dimensions, we will create lists in the general list. Click insert. Type the name of lists you want. If you want, how many lists you want, type. At a time you can if possible in Anaplan. So I want 4 lists. So according to the 4 list, I will give in the naming convention. So region, role, departments. These are the dimensions I want for modules for system module references. So I created list and I'm assigning here top level. Top level is the highest level of element of in hierarchy, which gives some summarize the data. So I am assigning top level as all regions. And then I am opening the list into the. I am importing the data into the list. I am manually importing. So click insert. We have less data, so I can manually importing the data here. Americas, Europe, Asia Pacific. These are the lists. I'm creating end here. So these are the list. I will give code to the regions. So that the codes. These are the codes. Yeah. And I'm creating one more. I'm importing data into role list. I'm assigning top level as well. So here I'm assigning all roles. I'm applying in that review. I'm importing the data, upload new file, select the file, role I want. So then click next, map properly. I'm not assigning any parent here. So I'm removing parent here. So these are the mappings role for role. I am using role here. For code, I am using code only. So these are the identifying purpose. So I'm using name or code. It can identify either name or code. Then I am click run import. Yeah, 7 created, 0 failed. Success rate is good and I'm moving forward. The list is created and code also existed. So I'm creating one. Yeah, I'm assigning top level here for all department, like all departments I'm assigning here. I'm applying. Yeah, and I am importing the data into the E1 department list. Click import, select upload new file, click departments, click open, and then click next. Map here for department codes, I am using department name. For department code, I am using department code. These are the mappings. So I can use here code only. I'm using run import. 5 are created. 0 failed, success received good, and I'm moving forward. Yeah, this is the E1 list. This is the E2 list. So I am assigning parent for this list, E1 as the parent. I'm assigning number list also. I'm creating one property here, like employee name. Name always in text format. So I am assigning text format. So yeah, this is the, and I am assigning display name property for that list. Yeah, I am importing data into the E2 list. In that review, click import, click upload the file, select the file, select employees, click open, click next, and then map here. So the for E2 parent file has D1 department. So department code I am assigning as parent. Employee name will assign employees. This is number list. That's why I keep blank here. So I can identify by code. This is unique identifier. So I'm clicking run import. Yeah, one created, 0 failed. Everything is good, and I'm moving forward. Yeah, this is the list. Yeah. So now I am creating one system module. In the model settings bar, select modules, click insert module, type name of the module. This is the name of the module. You follow good naming convention to creating name lists or modules. So user can easily identify it. For that purpose, follow the naming good naming convention. So I follow the naming convention as SYS01 department details, and I am assigning dimension here E2 employees. Yeah, time I don't want. I am creating line items as start date, region, role, departments. Yeah, as of now, that's enough. So I would like to uh, change these rows into these line items rows into, I would like to move these line items in columns and pages in rows, and click on OK. Yeah, I am changing format, line item formats. Start date is date format. Yeah, leave date also date format. Region is list formatted. Role also list formatted. Department also list formatted. According to the list, we will assign here in the list type. So we will assign for departments, we will assign departments. Clicking OK. Now I am importing data into the module. Click data tab, select import, and click upload new file. I'm selecting file and click next. Yeah, this is the number format for we will assign code. So yeah, everything mapped. So these items, these are non unmapped. So I would like to map these line items. So click manually, map items manually, and click for our purpose. I don't assign name. I don't want name. So I would like to ignore department. For departments, country I'm ignoring. I don't want country salary. Yeah, I would like to create another time. Okay. I want salary also. So in the blueprint, click blueprint icon and click plus icon. Add salary. Salary. Salary is the number format. So I would like to, I am importing into the data. Click import. Select the file. Map code. Yeah. Map items. These items. I don't want a name. Departments I want. Country I don't want. I will ignore it. Current salary I want. Okay. Commission person I don't want. So I will ignore it. This is the format. Click OK. Click OK. And click run import. Everything is mapped. Then check everything is mapped. Then we can move forward. Okay. Now I am clicking run import. Yeah. Departments even not executed. Okay. In that even departments, I would like to E1 departments. These EXEC, like mistakes are there in. Okay. Now I am going to import it again. Import. Select file. Yeah, code only. Everything mapped. Okay, and I am click run import. Yes, everything is zero ignored, zero failed. So everything is good. I'm moving forward. Okay. Yeah. This is the one more system module. Coming to the PPT. Yeah, time functions. Time functions are divided into two categories. They are time series functions and non-time series functions. The following functions are time series functions: cumulate, decumulate, and lag, lead, post, moving, some, offset, previous profile. These are the time series functions. Non-time series functions. Non-time series functions will be looking like add months, date, days, end, in period, month date, etc. Copy a module. Copying a module is quite easy in Anaplan. First log into the workspace, then select in the model settings bar, select modules. Copy if you want module. I want copy system 0 SYS00 time settings. So I would like to copy this module. So I'm then click copy, type the name. Yeah, SYS00 copy module. Copy module. So this is the copy module. Functional areas I would like to explain in coming slides. I'm giving OK. Yes. This is the copy module. Whatever data in the source module, so it will exist in same module as well. So copy is over and coming to the PPT. Yeah, importing methods. We have different type of importing methods are there. Manual import, Anaplan connect, extract transform load. Like we don't have idea. I have no idea about extract transform load. So we will discuss in coming lessons. So REST API. These are the importing methods in Anaplan. So I would like to explain in practical way. In the coming to Workspace, if you were already done in manual import, so I would like to import. I would like to explain in coming slides about REST API and Anaplan Connect. So I would like to explain about Anaplan Connect also. So Anaplan Connect is used to import the data from model to model or one model to another model from saved views it is using. So I would like to explain in coming slides. Okay, in the data tab, click import, select the file what you want, data tab, click import, connect Anaplan model. Like that, we have as of now these modules are there. So in coming lessons, I would like to explain in detail. This is the way for Anaplan Connect. Yes. Yeah, copy down and copy across. For copy down and copy across, I would like to create another module, another sample module. So in the model settings bar, click insert module, copy down and copy across. Down and copy across. Okay, I don't want time here. I would like to say test 1, test 2, 2 line items. For testing purpose, I added 2 line items. These are the line items. I would like to include time dimension here. Time dimension I'm included. So I'm interchanging the dimensions. Items. Yeah. First, I would like to explain about copy across. So in January, I would like to, I'm entering manually data. Select these 3 and use copy across. This icon, copy across. It will present the data in every end of the model calendar. So I would like to explain about copy down. Now I am interchanging dimensions here. Yes, in the test 2. Here I am entering data 1. Select these 2. Select these 2 and use this icon. It will copy down the values like that. So coming to the PPT. Summary methods. Summary method summary methods define how total of child cells is calculated into the one value. I would like to explain in Workspace. So for this purpose, okay. This is the top level. Yeah. Summary method. Yeah. For salary, you will use summary method as a sum. So for number, we have default for number. Default summary method is sum. So according to the requirements, we will change the summary methods. The summary method sum is used for the sum, and none contains nothing. If we keep none, the data will not aggregated. Formula. So we'd like to explain in coming lessons. Ratio will be like looking like uh, divider and average. And I would like to explain in coming slides. So we have different type of summary methods are there: minimum, maximum, and the average. So different types of methods here. In coming lessons, I would like to explain in detail. So I'm moving forward. Sum function, yeah. I would like to explain about sum function. So sum function aggregation, the sum aggregation function sums the values in result module based on mapping from source module. For suppose we have different type of modules are there. So we are using some methods, and I would like to explain in Workspace also. So we have many to many we are using some method. So some method always some method returns the number format. So I would like this is the sum syntax. Values to sum of mapping to. This is the sum syntax. The sum function returns numeric result. I already told. So this line item contains sum function must be dimensioned by all dimensions used for mapping argument. I would like to explain in detail about the sum function in creation of one module. So click in the model settings bar, click modules, insert module, sum function. One. First, I would like to create, yeah, this is the module name, and I'm assigning role region. These are the line items. Cost, cost, vehicle cost. These are the line items I want. So one more line item I will be adding here. Salary. Salary. Line items I am including in this module. Yeah. Before that, we can create another module also. Yeah. I'm creating modules here. So one details. I would like to use departments and role I'm assigning here. Line items I want bonus. Just these are the line items I want. Time dimension I don't want. Yeah, I'm importing data into this module. Upload new file. I'm using this one. Yeah, click next. Departments I am mapping to the departments. For line items, I would like to map the drivers. So I map and I will check the data in tabs. Okay. Here you can map manually. Bonus, car costs, phone cost, medical benefits, everything is mapped, and click run import. Yeah, everything is created. Nothing failed, nothing ignored. Success rate is good, and I'm moving forward. Yeah, I would like to change the bonus line item format. I would like to include here. This is the I want percentage format. So I would like to change percentage. I would like to assign 2 decimals. Assign, okay. Yeah, good. And I would like to create one more module. EM02 days. Employee expenses. I would like to include time here. So I would like to mention these line items. Bonus, cost, and medical costs. The line items I want dimensions here E2 employee hash. So I would like to give OK. And yeah, everything is number format only. I would like to change the dimensions time in columns, line items in columns, time in pages, E2 employees in rows. I'm clicking OK. Yeah. Now I am assigning formula here. First, I am assigning lookup formula. Lookup is used to look up the values in source module and display the values in target modules. So I would like to use one formula. I'm referring here. What is the salary? Right, salary. For salary, I am referring system department details. In the blueprint view, salary. Monthly, I want monthly salary, so I can use divided by 12. So it gives monthly salary. Yeah, this is the monthly salary. And bonus, I want bonus. So in the EMP01, click bonus and type here lookup colon in the department details. I am using here departments and role, department and lookup role. I'm assigning formula. Yeah, I would like to change bonus percentage. So bonus in the sense salary. It is yeah, one mistake is done. Yeah, here I am including one more salary into bonus. So it will include salary s into is multiplied by bonus. So now I'm applying here. This is the bonus car cost. For car cost, I would like to enter in formula. I am referring here in EMP01. This car cost lookup with department details in the department line item, comma, lookup with role and apply. Yes, applied. Phone cost also like that. So first refer from EMP01 phone cost, lookup with department details, department line item, comma, lookup with role. Yeah, medical cost also like that. Referring the previous one, medical cost and lookup with departments and role. So department details, departments, lookup, up, then role. Yeah, this lookup is finished. And coming to the slide, sum. So I would like to explain about sum. So I already created an example module. So I am referring data into this list. So I have already data. So I would like to change the time dimension as year. I don't want monthly data, so I would like to change the dimensions. Year applied. Okay. Copy and paste it for every line item. Yeah. And I'm interchanging the dimensions here. Role. Yes. Okay. In the salary, I would like to assign the formulas. So I would like to change the time dimension as well. In the modal settings, I want from 19 future is 2. I included in the rep01 module. Open modules. Rep01 module open. Now only fiscal year 19. I would like to assign in the time settings. Yeah. So I would like to change one more time dimension here. Time dimension. I am interchanging this time. 519 and 521. Salary. I am assigning. I'm creating formula here. I am referring EMP02. I'm referring EMP02 salary. Sum with region and role. This is the region and sum with role. Applied here. And coming to next line item, I am creating the formula bar editing open and I am referring EMP02. I'm using bonus. So sum up with the region and role line items. Region sum up with role. Bracket end. Yeah, it's concluded. Now core cost. So I'm referring to the module. Click core cost. Square bracket start. Sum with the region and role in the department details module. Click region and then sum up with role. Square bracket end. Apply. Yeah, it's applied. And phone cost in the formula settings bar. Refer EMP02. Refer phone cost. Sum square bracket start. Sum up with department details, region and role. Sum up with role. I am applying here. Yeah, formula is applied and medical costs. Same, I am referring the module. Phone cost, medical cost, and square bracket start sum up in the department details, region, sum with role. Yes, and square bracket end I am applying here. Yeah, applied, everything is done. This is the sum. So we want to drill down. So these are the values coming from this line item. This is the salary for FY19. Charlie Pass and Charlie Shake. Total will be 1,99,000. This will be adding the sum up with the data. So sum is used to summing the data, and it will gives the desired list. Sum from a result type is a number. So coming to the PPT, sum also over lookup over. Yeah, creating functional areas. Creating functional areas quite easy in Anaplan. So basically we are creating functional areas. Show the contents panel data, whatever data in modules or lists or dashboards, it will be visible in contents panel. So that purpose we are creating functional areas. In the model settings bar, click modules, click select functional areas and click insert. Type the good naming convention. I want system for system modules. I will include system as the functional area. Yeah, this is the one functional area. For reporting, I'm using rep. For employee, I'm using EMP expenses. These are the functional areas. Yeah, these are the functional areas. How to and then assigning the functional areas to the modules. Click modules. Here, select in the functional area. Select according to the what created functional areas. So for system modules, I am assigning system. This is data. I would like to create one more time. So this is rep 0 reporting. These are employee expenses, EMP expenses. These are system modules. This is one example. Like we can create insert example. The forecast category. Okay, I'm assigning to this module also example. Yeah, functional areas coming to the PPT. Yeah, this is completed. Assigning also completed. Yeah, in this session I have configured modules and importing data into the modules, revenue and margin details, price growth modules, sum of lookup, and employee non-employee expenses. Thank you. Thank you. That's all.